Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is 360. Ooh, dude, I don't know. That just feels like a cool round number. Anyway, hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 360. 360. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. This is a live, contest video, so I'm trying to do my best here, and probably won't do that much explaining during the contest. Wow, I can't even say this one. So this is gonna be a fun contest. But like each video or each problem will have its own video. So definitely check that out for explanation or at least an attempt. So let me know what you think. All right, 10 seconds to go. Wish me good luck. Hope y'all had fun and had a good luck and all this other stuff. Let's go. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1. What? Oh, I see. So empty is a choice. Okay. I honestly did not expect it, an actual problem. So many beautiful arrays on Leetcode. Okay. And it's the numbers. Pairwise is in. And this. Wasn't this the same problem as last time? Didn't we have this already, or am I just confused? It's just a 1 bit now. It's going to take some time for it to time out because I forgot to do this. Literally the same problem, right? Very confused. All right. Just oh, if it's auto even. A subsequence whose sum is target. This just needs the components, right? So it doesn't even have to be the n. Right? Numbers can be pretty big, 1,000. Okay. It doesn't say that. Oh, wait, it does. Okay, I don't know how to read. But is that the only case? Otherwise, you can always do it because you can always just have a bunch of ones. So then now you're trying to find the min then, right? Because if the total is, because it's power of 2, so you can just have all ones anyway. So we're trying to find so 12 is 6, 3, 2, so 4 times 3. So 8 and 4. Do you always use all the numbers from previous? Do we ever need both components? I guess so. If you have, well, for example, if your target is 12 and you only have one number, then you need both components, so you can't just throw them away. Is that true? And it's 1,000. What does that mean? I do some sort of yes, no. Target is pretty big. Hmm. 32 is 68 and 8 and 4, so that's, but that's not close, right? Oh, it's a subsequence. A sequence of operations, not the shortest subsequence. So that means that we should use the existing stuff as much as possible in theory. If we sort it, what does that mean? It is not. Let's say the number is 32 and the target is 31. Then what? And you need to kind of decompose everything up to -1. We sort way to the prefix. The binary. I don't know how to do this one, to be honest. Is it TP? What would you even TP on? Is it a bitwise thing? All powers of 2s, what does that mean for me? Does that mean greedy works? I do not know this one at all. I'm gonna skip ahead. Only one person got it, so maybe not even that good either. Alright, well, it is pretty big. Can I do a use, not use? No. I don't even think I really understand this farm, to be honest. Do we always want to use numbers if we can get it for free? People are starting to get it. I don't even have an idea. There's no like pseudo polynomials. N is equal to 1,000. Is there some n square thing that I don't know about? Is it a prefix suffix thing? Should I actually skip ahead? This is a medium too. They're both mediums, but I don't even know how to do it. Maybe they're both hearts. Alright, let's skip ahead. Let's actually read this. All right. Okay. I mean, this seems more doable, but maybe exactly k times. I don't know what this table means. Okay, let's see. Why don't they just say player number on it? This is so weird. I'm still not even really understanding this thing. Oh, it's only one player. Why don't you show all of them? Okay, fine. Oh, sorry. 2, 1, 2. Okay. I mean, it's like a psycho maxing thing, but I don't even know if that's. Yeah. K is 10 to the 10, so it's not that bad, but. How do I write it? It was so good. Will there always be a cycle? There will always be a cycle. Okay. How do I structure this again? Could be multiple things. There could be 2 different groups of cycles as well, or multiple groups. I mean, I think conceptually this one's not that bad, but I don't know how to quite think about coding it. And that would be n squared if you're not careful. Okay, fine. I also tend to do binary lifting, I guess, the kind of concept. And yeah, try something like that. Okay, so what does that look like if that's the case? One step. But it's not even just where you end. There has to be the sum, right? That's fine. We just max it. And then it's just at most 32 layers for each. Should be okay. I don't know how to do this one still though. Okay. I mean, how does that DP look like? It's just like sparse table. But... Okay, let's just look it up. They're both 5 pointers. People already got it. Smart peoples. So x is equal to x start with. So x. Oops. Did I almost clicked on the submit by accident? So that's the. I see what this table is showing now, but okay. Okay, and then this is also kind of evil, to be honest, because I don't know, seems unnecessary, but this is actually maybe something like this. Can I do it top down? Maybe I do it top down. Let's go. No, this left is a little bit weird though. If we do it top down. No, maybe I do it the other way. Turn after one pass. Okay, so now let's say we want to maybe I have to set up the other one. Yeah. Maybe today is just not my day, but that's fine. Okay. So if we need this, is equal to dp of 2. Basically, we want to make 2 move from here is just equal, or 1 move from here, then that is just equal to going to the receiver. Oh, -x. Alright, this is your base case, Larry, so focus a little bit. So it's just I guess we don't need this. It's just the total. I guess yeah, x is defined in the other case. So okay, I think we're good here then. Then now it's equal to so now for each I, we look at the previous. Or am I doing that away? For each. No, stuff like this. Then you look at the receiver ID, and then the receiver ID plus X. Okay, I think that's fine. Oh, you can't do that? Oh, wait, oops, I think I did it wrong. Okay. That's probably wrong. Is this equal to this plus, that's the previous, no, it's this plus I. Yes, okay, because that's the current ID, whoops. Okay, so that makes more sense. That's 3, that's 1, that's 2, okay. Okay, and then this is a tough one. And a lot of people's getting it. I'm just having today. Leetcode chose murder. Okay. Oh, that's why. Because we want to choose. So we do need the other thing. Because then now it's just this time, and then the previous is going to be, so there's the sum and then the previous, right? Yeah, and then the receiver, but then you want the receiver to that degree, right? So then now what? Now let's say you have 2 moves. What do we do? Yeah, well, we took one move from there. This is the I groove where the current move is I, right? So the first thing is shouldn't be the this is a little bit wrong. It's not. I see. I think I get it. Whether I get it enough is another story. It's this, and then this is technically actually, and then maybe I can do the same thing here now, but it's how do you know how many moves you take? If you take the previous after taking one move from here, right? So if K is 2, why am I so bad today at this? Maybe the cycle breaking thing is easier way to solve it, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just doing it maybe a little bit the hard way, but K is 2, that means that you take one step, right? It should be technically, this is I of 0, and then this is the maybe I need two things to not confuse me. Yeah, I'm writing this awkwardly, but okay, so previous I is equal to previous of I over 2, right? And now you take this step, and then now you are at here, and then now you want to take something like this. They say you take that, and then you take the previous, right? But then now you have to sum. I think this makes sense. Now, burning a lot of clock. Well, in this case, it is just previous, it's X, and then now this is equal to, because this is the base case, I'm confusing the base case, so I and then X. I think that's fine, right? It doesn't break anything. Okay. This part is a little bit harder. Okay, and then now previous one to I is equal to basically this. Right, so you look at the previous and then you do it. For example, this previous is 1. Okay, I think this makes sense. And then now this part. So yeah, this is just taking k steps plus take k steps, you get to that point, and then you do this. I think technically that's right. I don't know if this is right. I mean, the idea makes sense. I mean, the 5 at least matches this 5, which is good. Is it though? K1? It should be 2 maybe, right? I'm going to print previous. Okay, and then 201. Okay, and then 2 steps for 2. You're currently at 1. You start at 2 with 2 steps to go. You should be at 0. That looks good. What about 4 steps? 4 steps, you should be at 1. I guess that's technically true. I think the previous array is easier to understand. I think that's fine. But my DP is probably a little bit off. Because is this right at all? No, because it should be maybe this. So this is what it was. Now, yes. Is that sum at that number? And then that's sum at today I'm just having a rough day, I think. Still 5 for, okay, so this is 0, 1, and this should be 2. So why? Because it's 3 plus 2 maybe? But it should be adding the 0. Oh, this isn't, well, this is 2 with 2 moves. So I think that should be a correct interpretation. Why am I writing it in weird ways? This is a mess of a day. But these are kind of hard problems, to be honest. I don't know. Okay, so then now 2 is 0. The sum of 0 at one's move is 2. Is that true? I guess so. But this is a little bit off. So the 3 is right because it's 2 and the 1. So we want 2 plus 1 plus 0 for move 2, but instead it's asking, is moving at 0. It's not that, we don't want the sum at 0. Yeah, I mean, this makes sense, but this tracks, but we want I see, because I think I'm having a little bit off by one of the case and the passes and stuff. How do I fix that then? Because 2, so okay, so this is one move. Now we're doing sum of 0, because is that minus? Because we're double counting. We're double counting. Okay, wait, let me see what I'm printing here. Oh wait, no, this is, okay, so our previous is 1. And then a previous after one more move is 2. That's not right. This is one move. This is this is the move. So it's 2's what? This is already, wow. Oops. The previous is right. This is right, but this is wrong. This should be. Okay. There we go. That's for 2. 4 is 9. Is that right? Now 4 should be 6. So I'm definitely still off by a little bit here. Because 2 goes to 2. Oh, well, okay, so yeah, moves is right, and then 2. This is 4 moves. So 0 with 2. Okay, yeah. These tables are useless. I need to draw my own. People got this really quickly. So this is probably not the way to do it. Probably this cycle termination thing is the ring that I was thinking of, to be honest. But yeah, probably the cycle termination thing is the easier way to do it. Oh well. Okay, so it's 2, 1, 0, and then 0, 2, 1, and 1, 1, 0, 2. Okay, so then now if you do another 2 more, then this goes to 2 and 1. So yeah, this is right, at least. I mean, this should be right. It's not that part is not that hard, but I'm messing on the other part. Why is it 9 though? 4 and 5. How do you get 4? So halfway is 0, and then more than that is 1. This is 4 for 2 moves. 0, 2 moves. 1, 2 is should be 3, so that's wrong. Oh yeah, because this is 4, but this should be 3. Why is okay? So I have to look at this one now. 2 moves is 3, 1. I think I have an off by 1 in my understanding of moves. I'm mixing moves and the number of numbers. Because the 0 case is very weird. Yeah, maybe this should be 0. Maybe that makes it a little bit better. Because that's 0 moves, and then 1 move increase the first number would be a little bit better, and then we just add a little bit off by 1. So now this is 1. And then 2 moves. I don't know if this is true. I am struggling today. Even though I think the ideas I'm okay, but ideas don't pay the bills. Why is this giving me a 4? Because it's 2 and 1 move is 3, and then 1 with 1 move is 1. Right, 1 with 1 move is 1, 2 with 1 move is 3. So we're doing some dupes here. That's basically why. Basically 0. We go to the 2, and then we go to the 1. So it should be this minus the repeating part, which is very confusing, to be honest. So I don't know if this is right. I mean, this shouldn't be smaller, so that's definitely a little bit wrong. But 0, 2, and 1. So actually, the repeating part is this part. Okay, so 4 is 5. Technically, it's past 3 is 4 numbers, so I think we're good. I think now we construct the table correctly, maybe, hopefully. Let's spot check this. So we have 4, this is ID 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4. Well, the number got smaller, so this is definitely still wrong. The problem is that yeah, because the sum part is a little bit confusing for me. Alright, so 4, 7, 9, 10, 7, and then the 6 is where it Okay, so 4, it goes to 3 and 2, the prefix is 5 and 3, and the overlap is 2. What is the receiver for this? 4 is 3, so yeah, 4 goes to 3, and 3 goes to 2. 3, so this is 8, minus 2, so this is 6. Is that true? 4 goes to 3 goes to 2 is 7. So, no, that's 9. Now we cannot do math. Okay. So then I'm not even getting this right. Is it true that 4 goes to 3, and with a sum of 5 is wrong? Oh man. mess this up? Is it the other way? Doesn't seem to change anything. Never mind. I mean, this is clearly wrong. If this is only 5, because it's 4 plus 3, right? So 4, 3, and then 2, and 3, 2, 1 is the other one. So 3 with 1 move is going to be 5. But 4 with 1 move is going to be 3. So we're messing up something. 4 with 1 move, what is it? 7. Alright, that's right. But instead of 5, so did I just mess this up really silly? Maybe too much abstraction or missed redirection. This part is still right. Okay, and this part looks more right because this is not. And then this is 2. Okay, I think now this is right after so much code, and I think I did it the weird way, to be honest. Okay. And then now it's just about combining them. Okay. Okay, so K is the number of moves, so we want number of numbers, so we do K plus 1, and then now for N, and then now we go, okay. Is it 32? 10 to the 10 is a weird thing, to be honest. So this should be just enough. So let's go. Okay, so we start 0 if okay, then now current is equal to previous of, so we want one number current is equal to I. So J is okay. Something like that. Is J a list or something? What's going on? Current is I. Wait, what? This index. Oh, current. This is okay. 5 and 9. This is not right at all. But let's see if we can. This at least makes sense. So for K is equal to 4, we should get 6 for 2, but we get 5. That's not right. Okay, so the 0th index is itself, which has one number, Am I off by 1? Oh, this is gonna be my worst contest ever, probably. I don't think I've only solved 2 ever. No, I feel got this one. Maybe I need to. Maybe I should have stuck with it. I don't know. Oh, K is 4, so K should have 5 number, which is 6, right? We got 5 instead. Why is that? Maybe that's the part that I wasn't sure about. Oh, okay, that's a little bit wrong. So, okay. We want to move one node up. I mean, this looks okay, but I'm just really bad at this conceptually. Okay, fine, let's. Oh, that's what was that? No, that's not good. Oh, I see. Because of this thing. Well, we want. I don't know if that's right. I think that's why. Okay, so this is previous of 2. Okay. I mean, this is a little bit better, but it's still wrong. So okay, so 2. I is 2. Current is 2. We want 0 and 2 here. All right. I am so bad today. Okay, focus. Okay, so it goes from 1, and then after making 1 move, it is at 0. The total is 2, which is right. But then now it wants to make 2 moves. It's not 2 moves, it's 2 to the 2. So it's going to make 4 moves. 4 moves is 3, is that right? 1, 2, 3. 4 moves is 3, so it's returning. I'm adding 3 when it should be 5. Am I off by 1? Maybe I'm just off by 1. Okay, maybe not. Oh no, it should be off by 1 here anyway. But I mean, it's still very wrong. But is it more right? Let's see. 5 moves. 2, 1, 0, 2, 1. So it should be 6, but I'm having some. So 2. We make 1 move. We do this. Maybe not, apparently. Today is not the day. I probably should have just done this. The 2 ways to have done this, but I chose the more complex way, and it's not looking so good. Okay, so 2 with 1 move, and then the next is 1 with 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that should be 4, but it's returning only 3. 1 with 4 moves. Oh, I just put DP again. One with 4 moves should be here. It's 3. Is that true? 1 0 2 1 0 1 2 3 4. No, that's oh no, that's not. That's only 2 moves. Okay. So 0 is 1, and then 1 2. I'm off by 1 on this. That's why I think I'm confusing. Because this is looking up 2 moves, but I think it should be 4 moves. So 0 will be. I think it should be this. Okay, I mean, I think that makes more sense conceptually, but I am overcounting something. Probably the same idea with overlapping things. So minus. Okay. This is like the hackiest hack ever to get this right, but and it fixes it for here, but it's not here though. So so that prevents me from YOLO submitting. This is such an abuse. I mean, this stuff is right, so I think I'm just misindexing things. Okay, 10 is for player 4. Okay, player 4. Where's my player 4? Okay, player 4. We only. What? Okay, it's 3, so you only make 1 move, and that is why it's going to go to 7. Well, 1 move of J is equal to 2, so that's 1 move of 4. 4. Is that even right? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I lied. This isn't right. Because 2 moves is 9. And then this is 11, so that's actually wrong. Man, why did I do it this way? Okay. I thought I had it right. Wow, this is like the worst performance ever. Maybe I should have just done this one first. Alright, let's go back. I don't even know anymore. That one I had the algo. This one I don't, so I don't know. I don't know how to do it today. It's too much randomness. How are these medium? Well, I mean, I guess people are getting it. I'm just struggling today. This one is, I feel like we're close, but tell me why. Okay, so one move is 7. What is this one again? 4, 7, and then 2 moves is 9. That's what I checked. 2 moves is 9 is right, but I see. I think this is very awkward. I think the way I define things is very awkward, and that's why. Because it's combining 2 1 segments to make it 3. Right? I think this part is fine, but I think my numbering is wrong. Because this is, because then now it is 2 passes. Okay, so maybe I don't need the k plus 1. Maybe that's where I'm messing up. Okay, well, I have no idea anymore. I think I'm off by something just fundamentally, yeah. So it's a segment of, so it's 3 numbers but 2 passes. Okay, I mean that's fine. I think I defined things a little bit differently here. After 1 move, so okay, so my input is k is 4. I mean that's true that should be good. So 4 is going to be 2, so it's going to be 2 to the 2. So it goes, so my indexes goes 1 0 1 2 4, so we should go for j plus 1 maybe. Yeah. I mean, okay, so that looks reasonable, just wrong. Two, 4, 2, 3, 4. Is that even still right? I don't think so. I don't think you go to 2 on. Oh wait, no. You go from 2 to 1, which is actually right, but the sum is not right. Why is the sum not right? Okay, so now I fixed that, but this is wrong. And also, I guess this is still wrong though. So I think that's the part that. Oh wait, no, it's not. This is now 1 move, 2 move, 4 moves. So 11 is probably the next one, and that's probably fine. Yeah, because the next we see was 1. So actually, this is right, but I'm not doing it right though. K is equal to 3, so you make one move, and then you add another. I mean, there should be something like I'm double counting something. I think that's the problem. I am double counting something, but I'm not quite sure what right now. Okay, so 0, we make one move. So okay, so what does this look like? 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, I guess. So then after one move, is this overlap? So that's 7. That's fine. And then another. Well, now we make 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 1, which is technically fine. 5, 6, 7. So that's 5, 6, 7. Oh no, I make 2 moves. So okay, so that's 6. That's also fine. It's 13. Then we're overlapping on the 3, right? How do I subtract the 3? Which is the 3? 3 is 3 is this number, right? So basically, you want to subtract this if this isn't the first one, I think. Okay, so maybe if okay, does this undercount the last number? I think so. So then now. I don't know. I did all this. I don't even know if it's right, but it'll be funny if it just times out now, because that would be really Larry thing to do. Did this like really complicated way. I mean, I feel validated for sure. I probably should have done it the other way, but I think, what am I doing now? I mean, I did it in a really. You have 18 minutes, finish it. Finish it. How do you do this? It's greedy, for sure, right? Because it's only divided by 2, so you always want to choose the smallest number that's bigger than target. That's, yeah. Yeah, because you only divide by 2. Okay, I see. So while, do you ever not want all the numbers? Yeah, because if you have like target is equal to 4 and you have 1 and 4, or even 1 and 8, then you don't want the 1. The 1 does nothing. And a lot of people got this though. Alright, you still have to. So you can't do greedy like that. Is it enough to know that? No. I don't get it, to be honest. That composition matters, because if you want to have an odd number, is it just how do you even do the sum? The sum part is the part that gets me. Like this part, 1 plus 1, right? I guess I'm not wrong to skip this, but I have no idea. Sorry. How would I even greedy if I want to do greedy? That's what I'm trying to figure out. And is there DP? If we sort, can you kick out numbers? What is the invariant? I mean, as you get bigger numbers, do you ever want to kick out the phone? Maybe just collections.com. No, for okay, if this is unit 1, then we get this smallest number that's bigger than it. These are all powers of 2, so So if x is greater than or if current is greater than or equal to x, then we break. We want found is equal to x, and then now we greedily okay. F of I don't think that's possible, but okay. If the found is not right. Okay, right. So then now found is equal to current. So then f of found 1, and then that's it. Or operations, I suppose. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Jeez, is this part? Okay, fine. Current is, oh, this is greater than x, not found. Wait, no, it's current, but what are you doing? All right, 8 minutes. Why is that overlooping? Oh, and f of found is maybe still do why? 6 minutes. Okay, looking for 1. Okay, and found 1, that's good. Looking for 4, found. Why? If current is less than, oh geez, Larry, can you be dumber? 1, 2, -1. Okay, I don't know if this is right, but I'm gonna have to YOLO it. Why did I do 1? Oh, I left the break in here for debugging. Oh, but now it's 1, 3, so that's not right. Greedy doesn't work, maybe. Let's see. I mean, maybe if it's just wrong, it's wrong anyway, but 5 minutes. Can I do in 5 minutes? Target is 12, breaking 16 to 8. Oh, because I'm doing it the lowest bit first. Oh, I have to use the sum. I didn't do the sum, did I? So this was wrong anyway. I forgot to use the sum. Otherwise, okay, so we have to combine them then. Okay. If x is less than current and f of x is greater than 2, then you go to 2, and f of x divided by, oh, okay, x we is equal to x mod 2, and then f of x times 2 is equal to c divided by, yes, c divided by 2. Hopefully that escalates. Still 3. Let's see. So 1, 2, 8. Okay, fine. Let's see. Target 12. We put the 32. Okay, down, but that's. I don't have enough time to debug everything. I have 3 minutes. Okay, so this counter is wrong, is it? Oh no, there's 2. So then the 2 goes to 1. Right, so it combines. It tries to find 4. Oh, target is wrong, isn't it? Target is remainder. Oh man, I'm not gonna finish because of this. Okay, so you merge 4. How? You start with this. How do you get this? Oh, add. Wow. Okay, so this is right. So let's remove all the. Oh, I don't know if it's right, but it is passing the examples. We have plenty of time. 1, 2, 4. All right, that's. Well. Wait, why? Oh, this is equal to then. Whoops. It's still wrong though, but I don't have time to debug this. I mean, I feel like I'm close, but 2. Okay, so where's my extra print statement? Is right here. I'm watching a little bit because I just don't have time. So I'm submitting it for no reasons. But 5. This is the thing I'm worried about. So oh, I didn't delete this. Oh no, I did. I'm so close, but I just kind of not able to do it, I guess. So this I do 2 because 1 for 4. Why? Merge 4. I merge all the ones. Oh no, this shouldn't be. This is actually wrong. I just didn't. That was a rough fix. Let's give it some. I mean, the wrong answers were because I just had no time, right? But Sorry, I'm just typing in the Discord, which I think Yao should join, but oh my god. uh. 11 seconds to go. I mean, I don't feel bad about these wrong answers because I was just because I was at the end of the contest, right? Like they were freebies if I don't get it right, right? So better 3 wrong answers than no whatever. But 1,000 people got it. Oops, that's not it. I don't know if that's updated, but that seems like a lot, to be honest. But I also, you know, yeah, maybe 1,000 people seems right. No, I feel like it should only 152 people got all of them, so it should be okay. But oh, such an adrenaline rush with 11 seconds to go. So I'm just catching my breath. I don't have much to say about this one. I'm just catching my breath a little bit. But sorry, friends. I know that if you're still watching here, I appreciate you. I'm just catching my breath. I mean, there's a lot of adrenaline to submit with 10 seconds to go and get an AC. You know, let me get some water real quick. But I'm running out of water. But yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, when people tell me that they give up on a problem after 15 minutes, well, look, that took a while. Look at my Q4. Where's my Q4? I'm just posting in my Discord. Where did I end up? 195th. That is ridiculous. I mean, that is a tough contest to get both. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm just gonna call it a night. I don't really have. Sorry if you've been watching here. If you're watching here for some plot points, have you? I've been watching this movie, or I'm not watching. I've seen it. I saw this movie, Past Lives, produced by A24. I think it's my favorite movie this year so far. I mean, Oppenheimer is pretty good, so I don't say that lightly. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna watch it. Let me know in the comments if you just saw, listen to what I just said. Thanks for the support. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.